Welcome. What you're about to see is the engineering solution behind an everyday problem that affects every corner of the planet. Until Vokestone, scientifically proven techniques for lasting concrete repairs did not exist. Nagging problems such as draining, flaking, static cracks, and general damage now have an effective remedy. After experiencing concrete repair problems several times in my life, the realization I needed to tear out my brand new garage floor caused me to rethink the science. I was successful. Now Vokestone is an affordable solution for everybody. Vokestone is not just a way to recover your space. It's a technology proven by standard engineering tests, which achieved results never seen before. Vokestone believes that good engineering can solve many of the planet's most challenging infrastructure problems. We are going to show a bit of the extraordinary science behind Vokestone. There is a very specific reason why it's called Vokestone. The high-strength versions of our overlays have little in common with traditional concrete. The first thing a person needs to know is that our product is the bonding agent. The phenomenon is called an autogenous bond, or self-bonding. Vokestone chemically binds to rock and old concrete at unequaled strengths while offering a usable surface. The chemical bond is time-dependent. We form an initial mechanical bond in a few days, but the solid-state chemical bond takes a short while longer. There are many factors that affect how quickly the chemical bond develops. As such, we only offer a warranty if the overlay is allowed a month to fully develop the chemical bond. Light-duty applications are generally safe at 2 weeks, but to be sure, we wait a month for a full return to service. A full return to service, though, would include tough industrial loading such as skid steers, forklifts, or maintaining heavy equipment. The next important feature is demonstrated by this rubber duck family in a Vokestone pot. The Vokestone pots are excess material from our process that is salvaged into a functional art form. The pots are very water resistant, as Vokestone does not have the microcapillaries that are inherent in traditional concrete. We do not seal Vokestone, as there is no need, since Vokestone is naturally water resistant. Another interesting technical point is that Vokestone is perfect in applications where water penetration is a problem. Dissolved road salt is not a problem. Mineral deposits as a consequence of groundwater seepage are no longer an issue. As flooring material, Vokestone is a water barrier similar to natural slate materials. The freeze-thaw resistance is outstanding, which allows for indoor or outdoor applications. Vokestone Crown was brought to market as a self-leveling flooring material and a turnkey project service. Regardless of how uneven the original surface is, the surface of a Vokestone Crown is quite flat, allowing installation of a large format tile, or we could put a small grate on the surface for intentional water drain, typical of basements and garages. Since water does not penetrate Vokestone, it readily sheds water. These images are from a garage during product development. Quite frankly, this garage would have been torn down because the floor was no longer functional. The floor was rough and uneven with cracks and holes, which meant it was useless for typical home garage activities. But the stench of 40 years of gear oil precluded even parking a car in the building. Most garages are slab on grade, which means that a repair by cutting the floor out is not an option as the slab supports the building. Dealing with cracks, holes, slump surfaces in an existing building is exactly what Vokestone Crowns are designed for. Vokestone Crowns can give you a floor you can be proud of. Vokestone will recover your space.